Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm back today, guys, to do another review on my software business, but also to let you guys know of an update. Okay, if you're already a reseller of this program, there has been an update with it, so stay tuned to the end of the video. So my software business is a software that allows you, okay, to simply share a number, and the success coach, the texting coach, will walk your prospects through the process of earning $200 over and over. It will sign them up. It's all automated. Okay, sign them up, text them the link, your link, and explain the program to your prospects so that they can get this software and see the benefit of it. But before we continue, I'm going to let the CEO explain it to you. Check it out.
And all you needed to do was invite people to text or call a phone number every day. That's it. You share a phone number, and our AI text messaging success coach takes over from there. It uses text messaging to make sales on your behalf of our powerful products. And when it does, you get paid $200. Here's how it works. You're going to pay a $200 one-time fee to the reseller who invited you here in order to gain access to our product suite. I'll tell you more about our product suite in just a minute. You'll then pay a $50 one-time setup fee to mysoftwarebusiness.com. Yep, just $250 one time is all it costs to be in business with us. Our system will then automatically assign you a unique 10-digit phone number. You will then simply share this phone number with others looking to make money too. Now the best part is, you can set yourself up to get paid however you choose, whether that be Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, credit card, or even Bitcoin. Let's talk about our not only get paid 100% commissions as you simply share our software with others, but you'll be able to access and use any and all of the software in our extremely valuable marketplace. What does that mean? It means we have created an Amazon-like hub for software that you can then use and get paid from selling. You can read down the page to learn all about our product suite and the type of software that you're going to be given access to, but you just need to know that you are going to be getting access to multiple powerful software platforms that are all created to help you generate more leads and make more sales online. Our marketplace of software products is constantly expanding, so again, be sure to check out all the details here on this page so you know exactly what you'll be getting and how it all works.
Okay, he did a perfect example of explaining that to you guys, right? So now let me show you the software. Okay, the other additional softwares you're gonna get. So the My Software Business is a software itself. However, it includes 12 other softwares, a suite that you're going to get. So you're going to get started for $250. $50 goes to the company, $200 goes to the person that referred you. This is the software suite, okay, in addition to the My Software Business, which is the phone number you're going to get and share that, right? So it includes these 12 softwares, guys. Here's an example for those of you. Here's some folks that use Facebook, right? Let's say you use Facebook, okay? That's one of your main marketing tools. Here is one, okay? I had a person that already used this called Postcards, the most powerful automated Facebook marketing tool on the planet Earth for your personal profile, okay? So he uses this to get leads and sales from Facebook. So all these tools are very beneficial. The company that they've partnered with, these software sell, guys, from anywhere from $47 up to hundreds a month. Okay, So we're getting it for free, okay? As a part of being a reseller, you pay your $250, you get this. This is included. Now, if someone purchases these products, they can purchase these a la carte. You make commissions on the back end from that as well, okay? So it's a powerful system. I like the idea of just simply sharing the number, being able to make $200 commissions over and over instantly. Let me let you hear what it sounds like, okay? I want you to call my number right here. Check it out. But listen to this. This is what everybody's going to hear.
Well, hi there, and thanks for calling to learn how you too can get paid $200 over and over as you help others step into their very own lucrative software business with this powerful and proven system. Press 1 right now to have our AI success coach text you all the details to the mobile phone number you're calling from. And if you're not calling from a mobile phone, just press 2 and then enter the number you want us to text you on. On top of making money with this, we're even going to hook you up with over $1,000 a month of valuable enterprise-level software that you're going to actually want to use. And we're going to do this for only a small one-time fee. Press 1 right now to get all of the life and business-changing details. And we can't wait to show you this proven system.
Okay, so when folks call your number, guys, all your leads, your mobile leads will go into your back office. Okay, so you're collecting leads, okay, at the same time. All right, so when they press 1, the system is going to text them the information, your link for them to check out this opportunity, your website, and it's going to follow up with them on that. As far as chatting with them, okay, we have a chat with them. The system does, okay, the automated coach. Okay, so let me show you guys the members area. Okay, so let's go take a look at that. All right, as you can see, I am in the members area. This is where it is. Okay, this is where you're going to see all your leads. Like you click resellers, you can see my team right here, my leads, your commissions, what you've earned. And then they have additional partner programs. Go check that out once you get started. But while we're in here, let me show you. You get paid anywhere you want, as he mentioned in the video. Cash App, Venmo. You will go right here, guys, under profile. Click here. Click profile. Okay, and we go over to payment methods right here. You can receive payments, your $200 commissions via PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Cash, Bitcoin, Zelle, or credit card, which is Zelle. Okay, so you get paid instantly, okay, and directly. All right, so a great program, very, very great program, great system, great tool, because that's what this is. It's a marketing tool that you can use, and it will be all automated, and automated software to allow you to receive $200 commissions, okay, over and over and over. Now, the update I want to bring to your attention, there's been a new update. So when you go in the marketplace, you click marketplace and click manage here. This is a program right here. Let's take a look. That was recently added back. I'm glad to see Marcus Taylor back with us. This program, Unlock Elevation. Discover the 7 keys to unlocking elevation. I actually purchased this product, 2020 or a year ago, maybe last year, I believe. So I already have the program, which is a great program, but now it's been added in here. So for all you guys that have MSB, my software business, this is already in here, guys. So when folks sign up with you, they will be able to see this and click on your link and join you in Unlock Elevation. Okay, this program is a great personal development system. Okay, and it pays. It has an affiliate program with it as well, but it's a great personal development. Every week I go in here and just listen to it over and over and over. Okay, great personal development. He's got over 1 million views on YouTube. He's a motivational personal development coach. Okay, he has some great material, great content. You definitely got to go check this out. I will put the link to this system, okay, in the description, but it has been added into the My Software Business marketplace. This is what this whole thing was about, also to include in the marketplace additional systems and softwares that can be added. And if you're a reseller of that and someone signs up with you in My Software Business, this is how folks are going to see your additional products that you're promoting, and you get paid a commission. This program right here pays $700 commissions. Okay. So just by it being in the marketplace, when folks sign up with me, they can see that in the back office, and when they click it, it goes to my link. Okay. So another great way to promote this program, Unlock Elevation. I'm glad to see Mr. Taylor back. He is great at what he does. You gotta go check it out. I'll put the link in the description so you can go check this out. Okay. So to get started with My Software Business is only $250, guys. One time, $250. Okay. You get started. It includes 1,000 text credits. Okay. Now, if you want unlimited text credits, if you're going to be doing a lot of promoting and you anticipate a lot of folks texting your number, calling your number, and using up a lot of credits, they have an unlimited package where you pay $50 a month for unlimited text credits. But you don't need that right now. You just pay $250 and you automatically have 1,000 credits at your disposal. Okay, so it'll take a good bit of interaction for you to use up those credits. Okay, so for $250 you can get this software. Okay, and again, what's included is these other softwares. They're included that you can use. Okay, it's a lot of these in here, 12. Okay, and they have different features. It depends on what you're looking for. As I stated, I know someone that uses one of these for Facebook. There's several of them for Facebook. So when you get this system for the $250, this is included. 12 additional softwares. All right. Even if you don't use them, somebody else may want to buy them and you get a commission. Okay. So that's how this thing works. So if you're ready to start making $200 commissions over and over, simply sharing a phone number, letting the system do all the selling and telling for you. You're getting paid instantly any way you want. This may be a program for you. Low ticket, 200 over and over, and it's affordable. Okay, so call my number, check it out, 239-579-3543. Go through the funnel, go through the system, see how it works. You'll see it's very simple. It walks a person through the process. You never even have to speak to a person. If they call that number, follow the instructions, they can literally sign up from their smartphone and you get paid. Okay, so go check it out. All right, if you guys have any questions, give me a call, but go check this out first. Jot down your questions and give me a call. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay, till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.